says Nobu's bought 3 items at a farmer's market. What is the total mass in kilograms of all the items that Nobu bought? So we're looking for the total mass in kilograms. So that's where we were trying to get to. We want to get to kilograms of all of the items, meaning every single item that Nobu bought. So we're starting in grams because if we look at our chart, the items that we bought are all measured with a G behind it. So that means they're in grams. But if you look at cantaloupe, it has a kg. It already is in kilograms. Okay, so we need to first, don't get stumped on this one. We first need to convert our grams into kilograms. So we're only going to be adding, what we're starting with is the 400 and the 630 because those are the only grams, and that's all we have to convert to kilograms. Okay, so we have 400. Okay, this one is a tricky one, so let's not get too stumped on it. So we have 400 plus 630. So we're adding those up because that's what we want. We got to first convert our grams to kilograms. All right, so that's what we're converting because we don't need to change kilograms to kilogram. It's already there. 3 is already what it's been changed to. So we're going to add those up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 6 is 10. And again, you'll have enough zeros for you. So you have 1,030 grams in over 1. Okay? So you're trying to get rid of grams. And you want to go to kilograms because that's what your goal is to get it to. So we got to go to our chart and grams and kilograms. Grams and kilograms. Oh, look at that. Grams and kilograms. 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. All right. So 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So again, 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. Okay. So now we multiply across because this gram cancels out this gram. So we have 1,030 and 1 times 1,000 is 1,000. Okay, so remember the rule when you're multiplying with or dividing with powers of 10. All it is moving the decimal point that many zeros. So if we have 1,030, that's what we have. Our decimal point is always behind it. And this is something you learn in 4th and 5th grade when you multiply or divide by powers of 10. You could swoop it since I have 1, 2, 3 zeros. That means I swoop it 3 zeros because that's 3 place values. Swoop once, swoop twice, swoop 3 times. So if I were to sit here and try and divide this out, 1,030 divided by 1,000, I would get 1.030 kg. Okay? So now, if I have 1.030 kilograms and I have 3 kilograms here, my answer is 3 plus, so I'm going to move this and out of my way for right now. I'm adding, actually, I'm not even going to move that. That's what I'm going to use. So I need to add 3 to this. So if this was where I had it, I'm going to add 3 to it. Now remember, 3 is a whole number. So the decimal point is behind the 3. So if I were to line the decimal point up, the 3 would be in front of it. And then I would have all my zeros filled in. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 0 plus 0 is 0. Ooh, we have to drop that decimal point down. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So our answer is, what is the total mass of all in kilograms of all the items? It would be 4.030 kilograms. Okay, and that's DMR for today.